Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and recover your Valorant account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, this step is very simple. You just want to go ahead and open up your browser right here, and inside you want to go ahead and search for Riot Submit a Ticket. After searching for the Riot Submit ticket, you will be greeted with the search results right here. You want to go ahead and look for Submit a Request Valorant Support Riot Games. Make sure that you are clicking on the official website of the Riot Games, and then you will be greeted with this page right here. You want to proceed by clicking on the Choose a Request Type, and at the first option that we have the recover my account, so just go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load in and it will present you with more options right here. You have your email address, region. Just go ahead and choose what region you are currently using, and you can also go ahead and type how did you lose your account. You have your subject descriptions and more. After filling everything up right here, you will then be prompted to another page where you could go ahead and explore on more information that you have. For example, you have the questions like, what is the first item that you bought to your Valorant account? What is the first skin that you unlock using a Regionite? And basically, you could go ahead and answer all of these questions easily. And after answering all of those questions, you will then be prompted to their email where you could go ahead and wait for up to 3 business days, and then they will go ahead and review your ticket, and they will go ahead and email you back if they accepted your ticket or not. Well, if you have answered all of the questions right here properly, they will go ahead and email you right back, and then you will be able to recover your account. So guys, in that way you will be able to recover your Valorant account. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.